The room is quiet, but my mind is loud. I trace your memory in the empty space. I built a fortress just to keep you out, but every shadow seems to take your face. I lock the doors, I turn the keys, but I am brought down to my knees. I built this tower just to stay alive, but you're the ocean I was meant to dive. I'm standing at the edge of what I know, terrified to stay. Feel the current underneath my skin, a beautiful danger I can't undo. I swore that I would never let love in, but all my rules are breaking over you. I hold my breath, I close my eyes, I'm diving in. I just might.